wala nang makakagapit sa plano ng Panginoon. Amen po ba?
Amen.
So, para po hindi na ako masyadong matagal dito, ay ipapasa ko po kay Ate Nona para po sa ilang mga expectations pa na gusto po nating makita natin sa bawat isa o ng ating leadership sa atin. Ate Nona, tulungan niyo na po ako dito.
Salamat, Pastor Jun. Isang anggulo to sa personalidad ni Pastor Jun. Gathering pala siya, hindi lang doon sa Cuneta Astrodome, hindi pwede pala siyang maging worship leader. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon dyan. At this point in time, because our guest for this afternoon is here with us already, and it is really devastating, Congressman Goles, of course, kasi kilala naman natin sila. I believe kilala natin ang dear Congressman. Palakpakan natin. Yesterday po, Congressman, in that huge Cuneta Astrodome where around maybe 4,000 to 5,000 people gathered, it was announced by Bishop Nanbalais that you were invited by him to shed light on this very important topic that is really besetting our nation, for which the churches, particularly those in the evangelical side, should really be able to understand and to take our own particular stand. And that he mentioned in the big gathering. But for several reasons, it was selected that you speak amongst the leaders of this organization. Bishop Dan was here earlier, around maybe before noontime, but there was suddenly a call for a taping at the Zoe broadcasting. But he is just few minutes away, he is here already, but he would not want to take your time as well. So let's just give a very, very warm IFP welcome to our